There are machines out there quietly making people money every single day, and most folks have no clue they even exist. Some of them can turn old newspapers into thousands of egg trays per hour using nothing more than pulp, pressure, and a standard power outlet. One simple setup in a garage can generate real income from materials most people throw away. If you have a little space, some time, and the drive to build something for yourself, these machines can change everything. They are practical, profitable, and surprisingly affordable. The opportunity is wide open. The only question is what you will build next. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "I'm ready" and I'll share the complete list with you. Let's begin. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 13. Egg Tray Making Machine. This machine turns waste paper into steady income. It mixes old newspapers and cardboard with water to create pulp, then shapes it into strong egg trays that every farm and grocery store needs. Raw materials are almost free, and demand stays consistent because farmers use these trays every single day. With production reaching hundreds or even thousands of trays per hour, this machine can become a reliable source of profitable returns. The setup fits inside a garage and runs on standard power, making it practical for beginners. With low costs and high demand, this machine can grow into a solid small-scale business. The next machine might be the one that changes everything for you. Number 12. Paper Plate Machine. This machine uses coated paper sheets and stamps them into clean, uniform plates within seconds. With parties, events, and seasonal gatherings happening all year, the demand for disposable plates never slows down. Even selling at wholesale levels can create a profitable stream of income, especially because operating costs stay low and production rates stay high. A single automatic unit can make thousands of plates per hour, turning simple paper into steady revenue. As more consumers shift toward eco-friendly options, offering paper plates can position you in a market that keeps growing and stays in demand. Number 11. Charcoal Making Machine. This machine transforms wood scraps, sawdust, and agricultural waste into valuable charcoal using a process called pyrolysis. Sawmills often give away leftover materials, which keeps your raw material cost extremely low. The final product is always in demand, from backyard grill lovers to hookah lounges that prefer premium charcoal. This setup can become highly profitable because you are turning inexpensive waste into a product people buy regularly. When local fire safety rules are followed and materials are sourced smartly, this machine becomes a strong entry point into a fuel-related business with dependable repeat customers. Number 10. Food Packaging Machine. This machine instantly upgrades homemade products into professional quality items. Instead of jars or bags that look handcrafted, this machine seals your food into clean, airtight, store-ready packages that boost perceived value. Better packaging leads to higher pricing, stronger customer trust, and longer shelf life. This shift alone can turn a small food hobby into a profitable operation because customers pay more for products that look premium. Whether you sell spices, dried fruits, snacks, or baked goods, improving the packaging can dramatically increase sales. This machine often pays for itself quickly as your brand becomes more polished. Before we move to number 9, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 9. DTF Printer. This machine prints designs onto special film that can be applied to almost any fabric. It works on cotton, polyester, blends, and dark colors without needing multiple setups or complex screens. The result is vibrant, durable prints that hold up after many washes. This flexibility opens the door to custom apparel for schools, businesses, events, and small brands. With fast production and low material costs, a DTF setup can turn personalized printing into a profitable service. You can create samples quickly, take small or large orders, and scale at your own pace. This machine makes custom clothing accessible and financially rewarding. If you think the last machine was impressive, wait until you hear this one. Number 8. Cold Press Juicer. This machine slowly crushes fruits and vegetables to extract nutrient-rich juice without heat. This method creates a fresh product that tastes cleaner and stays fresh longer compared to standard juicing. Health-conscious customers love cold-pressed juice, and many gyms, cafes, and local markets are always looking for reliable suppliers. With produce bought in bulk and juice sold at premium prices, this setup can be highly profitable. Even the leftover pulp can be sold as compost, creating extra value from the same ingredients. It is a simple business model with strong demand and excellent margins. Number 7. Chamber Vacuum Sealer. This machine removes air from packages and seals them tightly, keeping food fresh for weeks or even months. Hunters, gardeners, meal prep businesses, and small bakeries rely on this type of sealing because it protects flavor and prevents spoilage. Offering vacuum sealing as a service can become profitable, especially during hunting season or when farmers harvest bulk produce. The machine can handle liquids, solids, and delicate foods without damaging them, making it far superior to standard home sealers. With multiple uses across different industries, this machine opens reliable income opportunities for both products and services. Number 6. Color Label Printer. This machine instantly upgrades any product by giving it clean, waterproof, professional labels. Instead of waiting for print shops or buying huge batches you may never use, this machine prints exactly what you need on demand. Small producers love it because a great label can transform a basic jar or package into a premium item. That improved presentation leads to stronger pricing and a more profitable product line. Whether you sell honey, spices, soap, candles, or homemade snacks, better labeling raises trust and boosts value. This machine helps small brands look polished and store-ready. If you're finding this helpful, give this video a thumbs up to support more small business ideas like these. Number 5. Vacuum Emulsifier. This machine mixes creams, lotions, balms, and even gourmet foods into smooth, air-free textures that hand mixing cannot achieve. The natural skincare market is booming, and customers pay premium prices for products that feel luxurious. Raw ingredients are often inexpensive, which creates strong profit potential when paired with high-quality mixing. With this machine, your formulas become consistent, silky, and visually appealing, which builds customer loyalty. From face creams to ointments to mayonnaise, the emulsifier ensures professional results every time. It is a powerful tool for anyone wanting to enter the skincare or specialty food market. This next one is surprisingly affordable and even more profitable. Number 4. Essential Oil Distiller. This machine uses steam to extract pure oils from plants like lavender, mint, citrus peels, and eucalyptus. These oils sell for high prices, often measured in dollars per milliliter, making them extremely valuable in small quantities. Even a modest batch of fresh herbs can produce concentrated oils and hydrosols that customers want for aromatherapy, soap making, candles, and skincare. With the right plants, this machine can become highly profitable because you are turning low-cost botanicals into premium products. It is simple to scale, starting from homegrown plants and expanding into bulk sourcing when demand increases. Number 3. Lock Stitch Sewing Machine. This machine is built for strength, speed, and heavy materials. It handles leather, canvas, denim, upholstery, and multiple layers with ease. While most people rely on cheap clothing, there is strong demand for durable custom work. Hems, alterations, outdoor gear repairs, tool bags, and boat cushions all need reliable stitching, and customers pay well for quality results. With very low operating costs, offering these services can become profitable quickly. This machine elevates you from hobby sewing to professional level production, giving you access to customers who want work that typical home machines cannot handle. Number 2. Knitting Machine. This machine creates sweaters, hats, scarves, blankets, and custom patterns much faster than hand knitting while keeping the handmade feel customers love. People want unique knitwear, but often cannot afford the long hours required for traditional knitting. This is where the machine becomes a powerful tool for a profitable small business, letting you create high-quality pieces in a fraction of the time. Personalized baby blankets, winter accessories, and limited edition designs all become possible. With steady seasonal demand and strong pricing for custom items, a knitting machine can help you build a reliable year-round product line. Number 1. Desktop Vacuum Former. This machine heats plastic sheets and shapes them over molds to create custom packaging trays, product housings, chocolate molds, cosplay armor pieces, and more. It is surprisingly easy to operate and serves a wide range of small businesses. Inventors need prototype cases, artisans need custom molds, and local sellers often need packaging that fits their products perfectly. Offering these solutions can become highly profitable because custom plastic forming is hard to find and always in demand. One compact machine can handle countless applications, making it ideal for makers, designers, and small manufacturers. The opportunity is real. These machines are simple tools, but in the right hands, they can turn extra space and basic materials into consistent income. The best part is that you do not need a huge team or a massive investment. You only need the right machine, a bit of focus, and the drive to build something for yourself. Every business you saw today started small and grew because demand never stops. If you felt a connection to even one machine, that might be the sign you needed. The markets are ready, and the potential for profit is waiting for anyone willing to start. If you found this video helpful, take a second to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking for new ways to make money. It really helps more people find these ideas and keeps this channel going strong. Thanks for watching, stay motivated, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.